It's like an old spacecraft, man. Nice. Wah, wah, wah. What's up, boys and girls? It's the next installment of my Flood Tesla rebuild. Today we're going to remove the seats, the door panels, and all soft surfaces that could contain mold to see if anything can be saved from this car that's been underwater for 10 straight days. And Lee, the owner of the shop that the car is staying at, is going to check out under the hood of a Tesla Model S for the first time ever to see what it's like working on a Tesla versus the Audis and Volkswagens that he's used to working on. If you're new to the channel, check out my other videos on how I got the car, how much I paid, and what the plans are going forward to get this mess back on the road. Let's go. So that's the subwoofer right there, and that's the
This is silt, not mold.
That's silt, yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, the silt all on the top of the sub. This is just like silt.
I just looked underneath this.
Yeah.
So that's the charging infrastructure right there. See, like where the voltage cables go in? Those are the high voltage cables. Those, I'm gonna knock on wood, those cables should be fine. It's these small cables where the corrosion builds up on the inside. That's what I'm worried about. But I may leave those high density cables there. I might just take this out and start and clean the contacts off.
$4 a foot, you know?
Yeah, I guess you're right, yeah.
You know, $4 a foot doesn't sound like that much, but when you need like 50 feet of it.
Yeah.
Put some dielectric grease in every connector.
There you go, boom. Yeah, let it rip.
One motor for the front wheels?
Yeah, so
Not one in each side?
No. So it's a motor. It's one motor with the, two axles that control the front, and then one motor that controls the back. Now the hardest part in the world, I bet you, I challenge the both of you, that you can't get those cushions off. There's these two cushions right here.
Chris, he just challenged you.
There's no way you could pull those out. Like, it takes like the strength of maybe one and a half Chris. They pull straight out. But every single person that's pulled it out, they deform it because it's in there so much.
Him, he actually got a hernia.
Can you hold it? I'm gonna pull the first one out.
All right. We'll call it a hernia, Chris.
Possible to get out. They should be shot for doing this. Yeah. Okay, I got that first top part out. I'm just gonna deform it.
Chris, this feels like a B5, B6. Yeah. Exactly the same thing.
Should pop that right out.
See what I mean?
Yes, you got it.
Fine style, watch this.
Oh, did it. Boom.
Okay, Chris is gonna...
This? Yeah. There you go.
Let's see.
So it's this tape connector right here. Let's see Hulkman try it. What the?
I don't know if it goes up or down.
It goes up. So you gotta pull this out and like pull up. It's a
big ears. I just zoomed right into your ear. Just zooming right into his ear, just to the hell with it.
Hey, do you have a retaining clip popper tool?
Somewhere I do.
But you know what? I might just do it the ghetto way. I just hitch the top up and then pop it out. You come on this side, you'll see it. Pop it right here. I would normally just see. Remember, I do this always with kitchen knives. Keep that in mind, all right? This is with kitchen knives.
Rich, you gotta come out with your own line of kitchen knives, man.
No, I know.
Snap-on has some actually kitchen knives, like a full set.
Is it really?
A full set, but it's actually like real knives for...
Oh, for eating? For eating? Yeah, but with Snap-on prices, they're probably like, what, 1,200 bucks?
I haven't even bought them yet. See if you can grab that, but getting those C-clip ones. You could try, get in between those and pop them out, but that might actually get it, and you pull it.
I think so too. I might do it. Cool. Is he still working on this? I thought this guy was strong. What's going on here?
Rich is challenging, man.
Tell me, it's not easy.
Chris doesn't give up when he takes a challenge.
You got it? Yeah.
I did it the right way.
Oh shoot! And you didn't even destroy the thing.
So this is the key. I told you. There's a button.
Yeah.
See these two releases?
Yeah.
That's why this is so important. See this tang?
Yeah.
That's the release.
Yeah, yeah. You push the button, but I'm too lazy to do that. That's the problem.
It's easy.
It is easy. Shit, he actually. Holy shit! He didn't even. This is a record. This is the first. This is gonna go online. This is the first side cushion that has never been deformed, and this man did it right here. This man right here. Look at that. Dude, I've never seen this before. I'm actually going to keep this. I'm gonna keep this. This is amazing. I'm like smiling ear to ear right now. I can't even, like, this is this is impressive. Ready? Guess which one the person that's done this 100 times before did, and guess which one the person that did it for the first time did. You're wrong. I did this one. So yeah, this is pretty amazing. That's cool, man. All right, let's get those retaining clips out. Let's see. Bada bing, bada boom. Nice.
I'm 310, so it's just a date when it was made in 15. Date 805 of 15.
Oh, it's peeing.
Oh my god, look at that. The rust from inside.
Oh, you have cat-like reflexes. Look at this guy.
Yeah, you can see where the water was.
Look like the whole thing with the water in it.
Yeah, definitely the whole thing.
Yeah, went all the way up. Damn.
So they have Velcro to hold the lines.
So it's easy to reupholster
Yeah,
then.
very easy to reupholster. Hey, you could actually put heated seat elements in there.
Yeah, it's not
aftermarket ones.
Why the hell would I want to have the rear passengers have heated seats? Who cares? You're riding with Rich. You get no heat.
I don't know, you have to keep the dead hookers
The dead hookers. The heat will accelerate the mold and decay. And
yeah, you don't want that smell.
yeah, it's true.
I heard.
Yeah, my friend told me.
Yeah.
I was talking to my friend. Dude, that dog's just chilling.
Yeah, she'll just, you can throw that on top of her, she won't move.
There you go. Okay. Oh, right there, you can pull it. Wait.
Okay, go for it.
Nice.
Wah, wah, wah.
Damn. Damn. The guy couldn't leave one freaking thing for us, could he? Oh, look, that's for the water line. The second showing of it is.
Look at that.
Look, now it smells like crap. You smell it again? Is it under here or is it like the fish truck down the street?
Maybe there's a fish found. In the end, there's a couple dead fish.
That'd be awesome. I'd like that actually. You want to see the motor?
Yeah, let's go.
Took you like 2 seconds. All right, hold on. Watch who's more powerful. There you go, mate. There you go. Use that muscle. That was a little clip for the light. Yeah. We'll grommet, push the grommet through. Let's see what this shit show looks like.
Dead animals in there.
Whoa. Look at, dude, looks like a time like.
Seriously looks like it's over 80 years old.
Looks like an old spacecraft, man. It's a battery right there. That's the coolant reservoir, which is still full. That's the AC compressor. And that's the electric assist steering rack. And then those are the coolant pumps right there. And diverter valves. And air compressor. Yeah.
So this is a transmitter / antenna.
Yeah, that's for the key fob. It does the proximity detection.
Yeah.
As you walk closer to the car, the door handles present.
If you don't chart that up and you get the stuff out of there, you might be able to save that.
I think so too. A lot of this stuff, as long as there wasn't power going to it, I bet you a lot of it might be salvageable somewhat. Not all of it, obviously, but some of it.
Before it's all dry.
Ready? Hold on.
Oh man.
That comes off easy too, man.
So used to Audi where it takes you
5 minutes.
Multiple layers of getting the
Nope. Tesla just comes right apart.
That's awesome. Some people will say that's a piece of shit. No way that is a piece of shit.
This is a wet dream to work on this thing,
Oh
man.
my god, this thing's so easy. Okay, nice air tank, and you could pre-charge it. They put a fucking free port in there.
Right.
Yeah, to pre-charge the system. Did I get that in your mouth?
Yeah, no.
That didn't sound so good.
Yeah, no, I didn't.
Cabin filter, super easy to replace.
Boom.
No way. They
Yeah.
don't even look.
Like they were touched.
They're clean. They don't smell burnt. They don't.
I'm gonna get a voltmeter and just test those and see. How's that look?
Not bad. I mean, there's a little bit. You can see where some water got to it, but not as much as we think.
Ready? Watch. This comes up too. The whole car just comes apart.
So nice. I'm still excited about that stupid little Schrader valve right there.
Yeah.
That is when if you have that system down and you need to get the
Air it up quick. Yeah.
Something, or even a test port. How much is the pressure? How much is the tank holding? You can do a quick test. Audi? No. BMW?
No.
Mercedes?
No.
Land Rover?
No.
And usually when water's in there, it doesn't come back out. It's clean.
Now that Lee checked out under the hood of the Model S, let's move to the interior. Now, because the car was underwater for so long, the seat motors were absolutely frozen. They wouldn't budge. So I had to tear the cushions off the seats, rip the seat motor axles out, attach a drill to manually actuate the motors that makes the seat go back and forth, just so I could get the seats out. Now, after moving the seats, I removed the moldy carpet and the rest of the interior panels that had soft surfaces, including the B-pillars, and the C-pillars. If you want to see the whole event in detail, check out the live stream link in the description below. In summary, nothing could be saved. The seat motors were rusted junk, the seats were far too moldy to feel comfortable to use again, and everything had mold spores on it. Everything on the inside of this car is absolutely trash, so I decided to throw everything away. But before I did, I stripped the metal from the seat backs from my friends at Recycle Metal. Remember guys, if you strip down cars or have metal parts on hand, remember to give to those that support their families by recycling metal. And in closing, you know what I've always wondered? What happens when you try to plug in a Tesla that's been underwater for this long?
Send it.
Stay tuned and find out this week.